of Krishna book. What you have in the mobile is
Ah,
slightly edited
it's
version.
different. Okay, then I'll try to read it from my mobile. Though it's too tiny,
Slowly
I'll try.
read.
Yes.
Yeah.
Long, long ago, there was an assembly of bank of river Saraswati and sacrifice of the name Satra Yagna. In such assemblies, the great sages, next paper, the great sages present usually discuss Vedic subject matters and philosophical topics. And in this particular meeting, the following a question was raised. The three predominating deities of this material world, namely Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, are directing the affairs in the
Cosmos.
directing all the affairs of this cosmos, but who among them is supreme? After much discussion on this question, the great sage, namely Bhrigu, who was the son of Lord Brahma, was deputed to test all the three predominating deities and report to the assembly as to who is the greatest.
Yes.
Being this deputed, being thus deputed, the great sage Bhrigu Muni first of all went to his father's residence in Brahmaloka. The three deities are the controller of three material qualities, named the qualities of the godness, passion, and ignorance. The plan decided upon them is the plan decided upon by the sage was for Bhrigu to test which of the predominating deities possesses the quality of goodness in full. Therefore, when Bhrigu Muni reached his father, Lord Brahma, because he wanted to test whether he had a quality of goodness, he purposely did not offer his respect to his father, either by offering obeisances or by offering prayers. It is a duty of a son or a disciple to offer respects and recite suitable prayers when he approaches his father and spiritual master. But Bhrigu Muni purposely failed to offer respects. Just to say Lord Brahma's reactions to this negligence, Lord Brahma was very angry at his son's impudence and he showed signs which definitely proved this to be so. He was even prepared to condemn Bhrigu by cursing him. But because Bhrigu was his son, Lord Brahma controlled his anger with his great intelligence. This means that although the quality of passion was prominent in Lord Brahma, he had the power to control it. Lord Brahma's anger and his controlling anger are likened to fire and water. Water is produced from fire, but at the same time, fire can be extinguished with water. Similarly, although
Lord
Lord
Brahma.
Brahma was very angry due to his quality of passion, he could still control his passion because Bhrigu Muni was his son. After testing Lord Brahma, Bhrigu Muni went to the planet of Kailash, where Lord Shiva resides. Bhrigu Muni happened to be Lord Shiva's brother. Therefore, as soon as Bhrigu Muni approached, Lord Shiva became very glad and personally rose to embrace him. Lord But when Lord Shiva approached, Bhrigu Muni refused to embrace him. My dear brother, he said, you are always impure because you smear body with ashes. You are therefore not very clean. Please do not touch me. When Bhrigu refused to embrace his father, saying that Lord Shiva was very impure, the latter became very angry with him. It is said that the offense can be committed either with the body or with the mind or with his speech offense. Bhrigu Muni's first offense condemned towards his father was an offense with the mind. His second, next Prabhu. His second, next page, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, next page, Prabhu.
Next page में ही तो है. Offense committed toward Lord Shiva.
Yes. Offense committed towards Lord Shiva by insulting him, criticizing him for his unclean habits was an offense made by speech. Because the quality of ignorance is prominent in Lord Shiva, when he heard Bhrigu's insult, his eyes became red with anger. When uncontrollable rage took up his trident and prepared to kill Bhrigu Muni. At that time, Lord Shiva's wife Parvati was present. Her personality is a mixture of three qualities, and therefore she is called Gunamai. In this case, she framed this situation by evoking Lord Shiva's quality of goodness. She fell down at the feet of her husband, and with her sweet words, she talked to him out of killing Bhrigumani. After being saved from the anger of Lord Shiva, Bhrigumani went directly to the planet of Shvetadvipa, where Lord Vishnu was lying on a bed of flowers, accompanied by his wife, the goddess of fortune, who engaged by massaging what happened.
Internet connection.
Okay. Yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
What are you doing? You are going in and coming out, and I am coming.
No. I don't know why. What happened? I mean, sitting in the same place, but I closed the door because of the disturbance. Can I read it from the book, Prabhu?
Hare Krishna. You can hear
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, I can hear now.
some problem, Mataji, today.
Yeah. Now we'll read as much, so for some time at least, Prabhu. Then we'll finish off. It's a very nice story about the testing of the Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. ಏನ ಸಾಕು